Are you looking for an easy way to unlike all posts on Instagram at once? Look no further. I will show you how to unlike all posts on Instagram in a matter of minutes. But before we begin the video, I ask you guys to subscribe my channel. Your one click motivates me to upload more content like this. So please hit that subscribe button. It will make my day. Now let's begin the video. To get started, open up the Instagram. Tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then select your activity. And on the next page, you will see the interaction column. Just tap on likes. Here you will see a grid of posts that you have liked. To unlike all the posts at once, simply tap on Select at the top right corner of your screen. Now you are able to select all the posts that you have liked. Simply select all the posts that you want to unlike. After selecting all the posts, you will see Unlike option here. Simply tap on it and then select Unlike. Just like that, all the posts that you have liked are unliked in one go. So that wraps up this video. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share it with your friends who might benefit from it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with more content like this in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.